I'm on my laptop. I'm gonna change my video. And you can see right there that I changes it automatically, and it's very smooth and seamless. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this wireless HDMI transmitter. So this is going to be a product overview, so let's get into it and let me show you everything that it comes with and how well it works. So here's the transmitter itself. You have your reset button here with the USB-C, so you're able to plug this into your PC or your mobile device with the USB-C plug. This connects to your TV HDMI and then the TV USB to power it on. So once you plug it in to each device, then it will transmit whatever that is projected from the transmitter, and it'll transmit it to the receiver quickly and very clearly. So let me show you how well it works. So the way to set it up, all you have to do is just plug in the HDMI cord to your HDMI port, and then you attach it to the USB on the TV to power it on. Once you do that, then you plug in the USB-C from the transmitter to your PC. And then once you have it there, you can see how I have the screen here, and then it projects it automatically here. Once I press the play on my laptop, you can see right here, everything is smooth and the audio sounds nice and clear on the laptop. So you can see I'm on my laptop. I'm gonna change my video, and you can see right there that I changes it automatically, and it's very smooth and seamless. So once I plug this in and the transmitter is connected to the receiver on the TV, you can see how the TV switches, and then you have to press this button here. So it opens up like a trackpad on your phone, and then you're able to move the mouse. You can see that mouse on the screen, and then you're able to watch YouTube, check your emails from your phone to the TV. You see? And then the audio comes out on the phone speaker, not on the TV.
And the week 3 with this 5,000 piece puzzle. And last time I had about 4,300 pieces left.
Overall, this is a great HDMI wireless transmitter. I like how easy it is to use and to set up. I also like how clear and how well the sound looks and sounds. And it's made very well, and it's very easy to pack this in your travel bag, so you could bring this with you whenever you're away from your house and you want to transmit whatever from your phone or your laptop to the big screen.